Hey guys, so I am back to you with another skate dance and skate fitness move, and we're going to lead up to something else with another movie. So we're going to do, it's just a crossover twist, but we're going to go backwards. So when we go back, 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 and you can go back, it's okay. I'm controlling myself so I don't get too far away. So practice it and go slow. Just start here, back, pull it out, come back, pull it out, come to the side, out, pull it up to the side, out, pull it up to the side, just like this. And then you can add
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
have a good day, guys.